Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Jasmine and today we're just going to be going ahead and doing this look that I have right here, this natural look. And this is for like when you're going outside, you have events, you're going swimming, you're going kayaking, and you want to wear a little bit of makeup. Well, kind of like a lot of makeup, but you don't want it to wash away. And like when it washes away, it looks like all like dripping and all kind of stuff. Like this is the perfect look, so that if you're gonna be playing outside, you don't have to worry about it. You're gonna look fine, okay? So if you want to go ahead and create this natural look, keep watching the video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that the bell notification is hit, boo, okay? Alrighty, let's get right into it. Alrighty, so before we get into this makeup tutorial, I wanted to let you guys know about this product I've been using, the Clinique Prep Star Eye Cream. I tell you, like, this is really good if you have like really puffy eyes. Like, I woke up, I used it at night, and I used it this morning. I woke up and it's like not as puffy as it like usually is. So I feel like if you're like really consistent with this is like gonna be a staple in your morning or night routine. And I've been, just so you guys know, I've been using this vitamin E from the Body Shop. I have SPF 15, I believe, SPF 30 sunscreen. This is what I use before I do my makeup. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with the Photo Finish Blur, Smooth and Blur Primer. I'm using two primers today, actually, because we're going to be out in the sun. We're going to be out in the sun. I just want to make sure that the base, my foundation and stuff like that is looking nice and smooth. Because like we're not going to be doing like a dramatic eye look or anything like that, because we're going to be, this is a look for like when you're going to the beach, going swimming, going to be outside all day. You don't want to use and wear like a lot of makeup. It will be the perfect look for you. After that is smoothed down, I'm going to go ahead and use the matte putty primer from E.L.F. I'm just going to go ahead and take that on my finger. Right, that is all done. So because I have a little extra darkness on the sides of my cheek, I'm just going to cover it up with the Maybelline concealer. I think my shade is a 45. So what I like to do is just go ahead and put that on the side right before I put my foundation, when I'm going for more of like a full coverage look. I'm going to go ahead and blend this out with my BoxyCharm brush. I'm just going to tap it. Alright, so right after we do our concealer right on our side of the cheeks, we're going to go ahead and use this Vibe Out foundation. This is a full coverage foundation, and it has SPF 50. And it's clinically tested, hydrating, and anti-aging with 3D Skin Flex. This is my foundation right here, and my shade is Rich Honey. And this is a really good foundation when you like are going outside and stuff like that. You want a full coverage look, but you don't want to you just don't want to like look like cakey and stuff like that. Like, this is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the back of my hand. And I'm going to be using my E.L.F airbrush blender. Actually, keep in mind, I'm actually going to use my beauty blender. My Real Techniques blender. I'm just going to put it right in the back. And just kind of just put it, just dot it on the face. And just go ahead and just step right into the skin. Alright, so right after the foundation is already blended in, we're going to go ahead and set the face. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Anastasia foundation in Golden Orange. Alright, so after I'm done setting my face, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back, okay? Alright, so my eyebrows are done, and I went ahead and primed my eyes using the Juvias Place concealer in 12. And I went ahead and set it using the Becca powder in golden hour. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and do the concealer. And I'm going to go back with the Maybelline concealer, and this is in 45. And I'm going to put that underneath my eye on both sides. Just going to let this dry down for a second, and while that dries down, we're going to be using the Too Faced Natural Lust palette, and I've used this a couple times, and it's super good, and it's going to be perfect for like the look that we're going for today. So let me just get it open. Go ahead and show you what that looks like. Super cute, has tons of neutrals and shimmers. So we're going to go ahead and play with this today. Love that. So that's drying down. So I'm going to go ahead and pat that out using my Box Charm brush. And I'm going to go ahead and bring that a little bit more with the Juvias Place, but it's a little lighter. Right in the center. And let this dry down just for a second. Go ahead and blend it out. I like to blend it like closer to the eye just to keep that right underneath the eye looking bright and awake. And I just like to pat really lightly. Okay, now that we have that done, I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the Becca Translucent Powder in Golden Hour. Go ahead and set right underneath the eye. And then we're going to move on to the eyes. Shade that we're going to go and dip into. And it's nice, I like this palette because it has like the names right underneath there. And it has a mirror. So it's super cute. I love it. So I'm going to go right into Stepping Stone. Get it over my brush, tap out the excess, and go ahead and focus this on the outside crease. These are really pigmented. I really enjoy this palette. And thank you for my sister-in-law for going ahead and picking this up for me for Christmas. I've been using it and I love it. I'm going to go ahead and pack that right in there. Now I'm going to blend that up using, actually I'm just going to blend it up real quick in circular motion. And I'm going to use a lighter shade and kind of make it look a little bit more blended and seamless. So I'm going to take Call Me Back a little bit and just blend it right above the Stepping Stone. You can take this one like up and even like put it right underneath the eyebrow. These blend out super nicely. If you're a beginner, I would definitely pick up this palette. Like this is super good. They have pinks, they have neutrals, they have like nice bold colors. They have a black. They have like a lighter shade. They have like a lot. So I'm gonna actually go right in my other brush and just kind of like darken this right back up. Maybe just gonna take like the access. I think there's like access and just put it right separating stepping stone, and I'm just gonna like darken that right back up. Blend it super nicely. And this is like dark skin friendly. If you have a darker skin, girl, there's some transition shades in here. So I love that. And it's like perfect. It's perfect for everybody. Let me tell you, it's perfect. If you use this on any skin tone. And that looks super good. And now I'm going to go ahead and kind of just like, I'm not going to cut the crease per se, but I am going to go ahead and conceal the lid. But just the lid. I'm not going to go up into my crease. So let me see. I'm going to use, this is perfect, Juvias Place. Same concealer I've been using. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the flat brush. I'm going to put it right on there. What to put it just like that. You just want a little bit. Go on with a little bit, you can always fill it up. So I need my mirror. And I'm gonna go ahead and just press it on like just the lid area, the part that I didn't put any eyeshadow yet. Yep, just like that one. Do the other eye too. Okay. All right. So right after that's done, if you have like a hooded eye, just like me, I would go ahead and like right after you conceal the first eye, go ahead and like set that little concealer just so it doesn't like transfer. And I would do the same thing on the other side, just to let you know. And right now, I'm actually just gonna wipe off my big because we're pretty much all set with the eyeshadow. Cute. All right, so now we're just gonna take buff it out and silk rope. We're just gonna take it both and both and put that right on that I'm gonna pat it right in there, right on the lid. So lastly, I'm just gonna go and take my stepping stone and kind of just take it in the corner just to have like a nice blend. Just gonna pat that color right in there. Super cute, simple, and perfect if we're gonna be outside all day. Then we are gonna put lashes on. You're gonna see me natural looking lashes, and I'm just gonna do that off camera and then come right back. Alrighty, lashes are on, and the last one, oh, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do bronzer, and then we're all done. So for bronzer, I use the Anastasia contour cream palette in medium, and I always just take these two shades. I don't have names, but I'm actually gonna do something different. I'm gonna take my E.L.F airbrush blender and just dip it in there. I've seen somebody do this and it looks so cute on them. So I don't know, I'm just gonna try it. They weren't using cream powder, so I'm gonna mess this up. I'm gonna tap it. my nose real quick. This, I like to just drag it down. I'm gonna use this one. I have to, but I just woke up and I'm just like, let me just do this. I'm like kind of tired, but I need to wake up. I'm gonna drag it to the center. I'm gonna blend. Upwards into the concealer. And the primer actually looks, I like that personally. Maybe I'll use this brushwork. I kind of like it. And I guess I will bake actually. Just bake. I'm just gonna take this part. Using the Becca powder and golden hour, by the way. We're done with the face. We're gonna do a quick lippy using the. I'm gonna outline my lips in expreso and then NYX lip pencil. I'm using this Lorac Rachel X Zoe in Ginger Blonde. This little lipstick. It's a nice nude. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the center. It smells so good. I don't know what it smells like. It just smells good. Put that in the center. Got that nice ombre effect. Like so. And then I like to put a gloss on when I'm going out, just because I'm going to be out, so I don't really apply lipstick. I just apply like the gloss. Oh, actually, they have the gloss too, so maybe I'll just use this gloss in the center. That's actually cute. I want a little bit of sparkle. So yeah, this is the gloss that's in collab with the lipstick. Super cute. And I'm probably gonna take this Milani nude shimmer in brilliant. I don't know. Oh, it's on O2. Yeah, it looks just like that. Super cute. Go ahead and put this on. And then there you go. Now you're ready to go out and enjoy the warm weather without even worrying about your faces. Last thing you gotta do is just set it, and then you're done. And then I'm using this Smashbox water primer photo finish. What's this bad boy? And you're ready to go. So thank you guys for watching so much. I appreciate you guys keeping posted with me and going along this journey with me. I love it so much. I'm going to be making a couple videos this week, so just stay tuned. I guess that's it. Bye guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And don't forget to hit that bell notifications to be alerted whenever I upload a new video, okay? Bye guys.